In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly edit your availability times on Calendly. Whether you're scheduling meetings, appointments, or trying to manage your time better, Calendly can be an invaluable tool. However, understanding how to tailor it to fit your schedule can sometimes be a bit tricky. Don't worry, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be navigating and customizing your Calendly schedule like a pro. First things first, let's head over to the Calendly website. You can find it by searching for free online appointment scheduling software vertical bar Calendly in your web browser, or simply by typing calendly.com in your address bar. Once the web page has loaded, you'll be greeted with the home page of Calendly, showcasing how it streamlines appointment scheduling. Next up, you'll need to log into your account to begin making adjustments to your times. On the Calendly homepage, look for the Login button, which is quite visible and easy to find. Click it and you'll be taken to the login screen. Calendly offers various ways to log in, ensuring that there's a method that suits everyone. For simplicity and speedy access, we recommend clicking on Continue with Google. This option is perfect for those who prefer to keep their accounts synced and enjoy the convenience of quick logins. After clicking Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use for Calendly. If you're already logged into your Google account, you'll see it listed. Simply click on your desired account to proceed. It's essential to select the account associated with your Calendly settings, especially if you have multiple Google accounts. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to head directly to your Calendly dashboard. You can do this by navigating through the Calendly interface, or directly going to the URL that leads to your personal Calendly event types page. Here you'll see an overview of your scheduled events and meetings. Now, to adjust your availability times, you'll want to click on the Availability tab on your dashboard. This section is crucial for managing when you're available for appointments, allowing you to tightly control your schedule. Clicking on Availability will reveal your current settings and any existing time slots you have set up. To edit your times, look for the specific time box you want to adjust. Each time box represents a segment of your availability. By clicking on one, you can edit the start and end times, effectively customizing your schedule to fit your needs. Perhaps you've realized there's a recurring meeting every Thursday morning that wasn't accounted for. Or maybe you just prefer to start your day later. This is where you make those adjustments. When editing your time, it's also a good idea to consider buffer times between appointments if Calendly allows it. This can help prevent back-to-back meetings that don't leave you any breathing room. Whether it's adjusting for a lunch break or simply giving yourself a breather between calls, managing these details will ensure your day runs more smoothly. Remember to save your changes once you're done. It might seem obvious, but in the hustle and bustle of adjusting settings, it's an easy step to overlook. Before wrapping up, I want to leave you with a couple of additional tips. First, regularly review your schedule on Calendly. Life changes, and your availability will too. Keeping your Calendly updated will save you and your invitees from scheduling headaches. Secondly, make full use of Calendly's settings. From setting up custom event types to integrating your other calendars for real-time availability, there's a lot under the hood that can help make scheduling seamless. There you go, you're now equipped to adjust your availability on Calendly like a seasoned user. By following these steps, not only can you ensure your schedule reflects your current availability, but you'll also make the process of scheduling meetings and appointments far more efficient for yourself and others. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and feel more confident in managing your schedule through Calendly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or explore the Calendly Help Center for more resources. Happy scheduling!